Okay, folks, this is a quick update on MINIMAX. So the question is, does MINIMAX run out of context? And the answer is obviously, of course it does. But look at this handy little feature here, folks. So it tells you you are nearing the context limit. For the best project modification results, please start a new session. There's a little button here. Hang on, where's my finger? That says create new session. But before we do that, we go over here to Files. You see this little icon here? Lets you download all files. It puts them into a handy little zip file. Now, you don't need to do this. It will automatically transfer all of your files, and yes, I mean all of your files, over to the new session. But I find it's good to just save as you go. So hit this button, download all your files, then go over here and hit create session. Now, I've already done this. So if you see at the top, it's tabbed, and you can go to new session. This is the one I'm currently working on, and I've basically told it take all of those documents that we created in the last session and compile them into one. And then I'm going to hit save again, download the files again over here, and then I have one master copy in one document. Type something like creating one singular document containing all the information. You have to be very specific. You see now it's going one by one, it's going through all the sections, it's going through all the individual files. Now, bear in mind, I uploaded, these are just the ones I uploaded. So you see here it says user input files. These are just the ones I gave it. Then it has, hold on, if I minimize this, these are all the ones it made so far. So you see this is why it's running out of context. And then you also have at the top here, you have the documents, images, Superbase, and the app itself. So these are all the files like for the HTML code for actually running the app. So you want to take all of these files. The button here does disappear. You see that download button has gone. So sometimes you need to move to another project, come back to this one, or change tab, come back to this one. The button will reappear or reload the page. There's a thing there that says download all files. Just click on that. You have everything. Again, just to show you again, so I'll go back to the original version, which is where I started. It ran out of context. It warns you before it gets there as well. You are nearing the context limit. It doesn't say you've reached the context. This is genius. Other AIs need to learn this and do this and steal this function. I don't know why they don't all do this, because they are all prone to losing. You've heard me in my previous videos whinging and complaining about context window, which is what ruins every AI project. So now it seems like MINIMAX has a solution. Other AIs, take note. I am really starting to like MINIMAX. It is free, folks, for now. I don't know how long it's going to be free. I'm telling you, use it. Get yourself an app while you can, for free, whatever you're building. Try it out. They are not paying me. They are not a sponsor. I found out about this from another YouTuber who was like, hey, try it out. So I tried it out. I'm liking it. It is slow. Any big complex task is going to be slow. I've been here for days, I'm not going to lie, and I'm still working on refining what I've done so far. But it is, for the most part, working. It picks up and corrects its errors. I can tell it things like go back to the master document and check you haven't forgotten anything, and it'll just go straight back to that master document and go, oh yeah, shit, we forgot to do this, or hey, we haven't done this properly yet, and it'll just start working on it. I'm hoping I can get to the end of this project before the free credits or the free trial or whatever this promotion is that they're doing. It might be free forever, I don't know. It's free for now. Use it while it's free. These things never last. They always go to a premium or freemium tier where you get to try it for a bit and then you have to pay. So just strike while the iron is hot, folks. I will come back to you with a working app at some point this week. Bye for now.